my haunted home. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is so exciting because this is my full, almost finished Halloween house tour. I've pretty much finished the decorations. There are still a few lingering things, but I really wanted to show you guys everything that we've done to the house this year. And oh my gosh, it's a lot, first of all. Second of all, if you want even more Decorate With Me content, make sure you subscribe because there will be a little bit more coming, especially as we prep for my big Halloween party. So yeah, come take a look at my house. Okay, first off, when you walk in to the front door, you have this gorgeous living room display. I did an entirely haunted apothecary theme this year. That was kind of like my inspiration. So there's a lot of stuff that I got thrifting. I got last year for 75% off at the Spirit Halloween sale. And I will say that creepy cloth and Spanish moss are really the heroes of my living room this year. That and old tattered books that I found thrifting with Zoe, behind the camera, shout out, link to her stuff in the description. So yeah, I seriously am obsessed with how it looks. I think my antique mirror and the bats and everything just look so spooky, ooky, kooky, and I can't wait for you guys to see the nighttime version. So let's flip off the lights and see what it looks like at night. This is where I put kind of all of my hocus pocusy, orange and black, more vintagey Halloween looking decor. So we've got Mr. Billy Butcherson's grave up here. We've got a haunted house sign that points to my haunted house, which I consider the Sanderson home in my brain. And it's got Binks on it, and then we've got Hocus Pocus Pharmacy and jack-o'-lanterns and little candles. And I've got a cauldron and I've got Binks, so it's all just very spooky. And I feel like, again, creepy cloth and some black spider webs really just tie this whole look together. Then here in the other area of the living room, we just got some spooky blankets and a Ouija board tray and a Hocus Pocus table overlay, super cute and fun. At the entryway, we've got a bench where I just have my Old Salem Broom Company sign and some skeleton garlands I got at Michael's and my cat Halloween blanket that my mom got me. Moving on to the kitchen, if you guys don't know, I always do a Nightmare Before Christmas theme in my kitchen. So first of all, Zoe and I spent a ton of time spider webbing and putting little plastic spiders over these two columns in my kitchen. And we also spider webbed the entire ceiling and put lights up so that it looks super spooky, ooky, kooky, and creepy. The Halloween party. Shop the spooky merch in the description bar below. But yeah, so you come over here and you'll see a lot of odes to Nightmare Before Christmas. I've got my Jack Skellington utensil holder, which is really a cookie jar with the top taken off. My little countdown to Halloween. I think this is one of my favorite vignettes this year. I don't know what it is, but just like Jack and Finkelstein and the clock and the mayor and Oogie's dice. It just like is so much Nightmare Before Christmas rolled together in one. I just love it. Over here we've got the sign for Halloween Town and this kind of thing which I love. I just love when you have like useful things that are just Halloweenified versions. So I just switch out my soap dispenser and even my sponges are Nightmare Before Christmas and even my oven mitts are Nightmare Before Christmas because we gotta make sure that we're on brand, y'all. Salt and pepper shakers and Trio of Terror. This is another one of my favorite little areas because one, I love this Zero statue. Two, I love this journal that I got at Disney World that has Jack's calculations of Christmas on the inside. I just have it in this little cookbook holder. And then I love these light up pumpkins and gourds of all of the main like characters from Nightmare Before Christmas. And again, creepy cloths just add so much dimension to it and it's so cute. All right, moving on over here, we've got Sally's ingredients for her special soups and other things in a little coffin tray. And this cool mood light that I got at Box Lunch that lights up different colors, which is super fun. And then lastly, we've got a Welcome to Halloween town sign. And then my cat stuff down here, which is not currently decorated for Halloween, but they do have Halloween little cat trays that are sometimes out, depending on if they're dirty or not. Then we have our little like wine, coffee, accoutrement rack. And so this is where I have a lot of my Night Before Christmas mugs displayed. And I've also got all of like my wands because that seems appropriate. I don't know, I didn't tell you. And then I've got jack-o'-lanterns of pretzels and Halloween pasta, which is brew, you know, all the main things you need. Yeah, all right, let's show you the last piece of the interior stuff, and then tonight I will take you guys out to see all of the outdoor decorations. One thing that's very important to me is my Beetlejuice bathroom. And so this year, we took her to the next level with a giant sandworm door cover. Again, all green lights this year because it's Beetlejuice. This year we have a shower in the Beetlejuice bathroom. So I have a shower curtain complete with neon green shower rings, which I think is just like a really fun detail. We've got tons of, that one's really intense.
Yeah, I had to turn it off for my shower the other night.
We've got a handbook for the recently deceased journal, which I have put a little limerick in for my friends to make sure they sign this while they're doing their business at the Halloween party with a matching pen. Obviously, I've got Beetlejuice's tombstone, Miss Argentina, some sandworm candlesticks, some cool like window clings, and I'm also gonna write on the mirror pointing to the guest book so people can make sure they sign it. And I love these other details of like my Beetlejuice hand towels, which my friend Shelby got me, and our little Beetlejuice mat. So yeah, that is everything in the Beetlejuice bathroom. Let's go outside tonight to look at everything that's out there. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed seeing my full spooky home for Halloween 2023, make sure you give this video a like, hit that subscribe button down below because I'm uploading content every single day until Halloween night. So make sure you subscribe if you want tons of more creepy content coming your way. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Shop spooky merch.